Guys, this would literally blow your mind. According to my findings, Facebook has over 3 billion active users globally every month. TikTok has over 1.8 billion active users every month globally, while Instagram has over 2 billion active users globally every month. Now, as a business person, what is stopping you from making sales? What is stopping you from generating leads? What is stopping you from selling your products? Because I know that most business persons are still complaining about low sales. What is stopping you? On this note, in this video, I am gonna show you how to promote your goods and services to your potential buyers out there so that you can begin to make sales that you so much desire. Now guys, I want you to run these ads yourself. I made a video on how you can run Facebook and Instagram ads. If you have not seen that video, quickly go and check that video. Go and learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ads because this skill is in demand. Now, in a situation where you won't even have time to run these ads yourself, of course I am here. I can always help you run your ads and manage your ads. So without wasting much time, because I do not want this video to be long, come with me to my screen recorder. Let me show you how to run and manage your TikTok ads yourself without any issues. Come with me, guys. Okay guys, so at this point you have to come over to your TikTok app. So once you come over, you click on profile. Once you click on profile, it will bring you to this interface. Once it brings you here, check here, you will see TikTok Studio. If your TikTok Studio is not displaying here, you click on the three lines at the top right hand side. Once you click on it, you see TikTok Studio. You click on it. So at this point, I'll click on my TikTok Studio. So now that I have clicked on my TikTok Studio, it has brought me to this interface where I have my analytics. So here you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see this promotion fire. You see this promotion that has a symbol of fire, so you click on it. Once you click on it, it will now bring you to this particular interface. So now that it has brought us to this interface, guys, you need to pay attention because this is the critical and most important point. Now you have to look up here. If you look up here, it says choose your goal. Choose your goal. Why I told you to look up is because if you choose the wrong goal, you will not get your desired result. So here we have boost account, get sales, boost live, get leads. Boost account, get sales, boost live, and get leads. Don't worry, I will explain all of this to your understanding. So if you want to boost your account, which is the first one, this is what you will get. So you will get more video views, you will get more followers and more profile views. So if that is what you want, you can go ahead. But in a situation where you're selling something, you are a vendor, you are selling a product, it can be digital, it can be physical products, you can go ahead to click on get sales. Now if you click on get sales, this is what you will get. It will bring you to this interface where you can put your landing page. Here you can put your landing page. So let's assume you own a website. If you have a website, you can actually put the link to your website here so that people can reach out to you via your website. But in a situation where you do not have a website, do not worry, you can put your WhatsApp number. And when I talk about you putting your WhatsApp number, I am not talking about the normal WhatsApp. So you need to create a business WhatsApp. Then you put the link here so that people can come to your DM. Now in case you do not want sales, you just want to boost your live stream so that plenty persons can come around, now you click on boost live. Once you click on boost live, this is what you will see. So what you will get is more live viewers and more followers. You understand? Now in case you want to get leads, like you want to host free class and all of that, you can go ahead and click on get leads. So once you click on get leads, it will now bring you to this interface. So when you get this lead, like where do you want them to message you? Is it for them to message you on TikTok? Is it for them to call you? Is it other messaging apps? Let me tell you, if you click on other messaging apps, it will bring you to this interface where you can direct your customers, your leads, directly to your DM. It can be on WhatsApp, it can be on Messenger, it can be on any platform of your choice. So at this point, let's assume that I personally, I want to generate leads. I want to run this ads to get leads. So now it is here on leads. So what I'll do at this point is this. I'll click on order this thing. Now I'll click on WhatsApp. So meaning that I want these people to engage with me on WhatsApp. So what I'll do at this point is this. I'll have to put my WhatsApp number. So at this point, you go ahead to put your phone number. After you're done putting your phone number, you can put the URL of your WhatsApp group, like you're taking these leads directly to your WhatsApp group. So at this point, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will tell you to put the URL here. So here you just minimize, go to the group you created. I just created this group now for the sake of this tutorial. So at this point, you copy it. Once you copy it, you come here, you paste it. You come here and paste it. Okay, it is, yeah. So once you paste it, it will tell you to save. You go ahead to save it. So now that we have saved it, so at this point, it will bring out, this is the creative. This is the creative. So here, if you check, you see a small arrow, which is it bringing you to the content you have. It has brought you to the content you already have on your channel, on your page. That's what I mean. So you can go ahead to choose any content of your choice. So let's assume I have chosen this particular content. Let's assume, yeah, I have chosen this particular content. Now let me show you something that is very, very important. Once you click on a particular content, see, it has brought me here. So once you click on it, you see that it will be ticked here. It will be ticked here. So at this point, you have to look. Here we have custom promotion. Here we have custom promotion. So the estimate is between 2 to 51. So you can see it here. Estimated send message, click button. So that is it. These are the estimated persons who will likely send you message. So here we have define your audience. So here TikTok is saying if you allow them to choose audience for you, or you want to customize your own audience. Truth be told, I do advise people to customize their own audience. You understand? So you click here, customize your own audience yourself, because in a situation where you want to sell something and what you're selling is about 10,000 naira, is about 20,000 naira. Now if TikTok is sending it to people within this age bracket between 13 to 17 years, will they afford the things that you're selling? Truth is they won't. You understand? So the best thing for you is for you to choose your age bracket. Now as for gender, it depends on what you're selling. If you're selling hairs, you know that your target audience, your primary target audience are ladies. This does not mean that men cannot buy for their wives. Of course they can, but your primary target audience are the ladies. So you go ahead to choose ladies or female. You understand? So at this point, I cannot choose all age brackets. So I will say, let me target from 25 to 34, or I can also say let me target from 35 to 44. You understand? So it all depends on you. You may decide to target more than two age bracket. You understand? So like right now, I don't want 13 to 24, because they might not afford what I sell. Now you look at interest. This also matters. It matters a whole lot, because one thing about TikTok is this: once you create an account, it will tell you to pick your interest, what you love. You understand? What you love, so you can go ahead and pick. So but for me, at this particular point, I won't choose interest, because I don't, anybody can like anything. Do you understand? So at this point, this is it. So if you check now, this particular number has reduced. The number has reduced. So what you now do at this point is this: you check. Now here we have set budget. So you can fix your set budget for the day. That's how much you want TikTok to spend in a day. Now if you see, I just reduced it. As I reduce it, this is what TikTok is telling me. TikTok says, reminder, you are more likely to reach desired results with a minimum budget of 2,000 naira. So meaning that at least your minimum budget per day should be 2,000 naira. So at this point, I'll have to put it at 2,000. I'll have to put it at 2,000 naira, because that is what TikTok is saying. Let me put it at, oh my goodness, let me put it at 2,000. Let me put it at 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira. Then you click confirm. So here is the duration. How many days do you want this promotion to last? So this is 4 days. So 4 days will give me about 8,600 naira. So that is it. Then I'll scroll. So here we have preview. In case you want to preview how your ads will look like, you can click on it. So this is how it will look like. And here you see send message. You understand? So we are not done. So here I don't have money in my ads account, but I have coins. I have coins. So at this point, TikTok is going to subtract it from the coins that I have in my wallet. So guys, at this point, what you will now do is this: you go ahead to click on pay. Once you click on pay, that's just it. Your ad is ready, and before you know it, you begin to receive leads in your landing page. Your landing page can be your website, it can be your WhatsApp, it can be anything at all. Do you understand? So that's just it. It is as simple as this. This is how to run TikTok ads and get your desired results. So the most important thing, I have to emphasize on this again, the most important thing is your goal. Know your goal. That is the most important thing. What exactly do you want? What do you want to achieve as you're running this ads? You understand? That should be the first thing on your mind. Is it to boost accounts? Is it to get sales? Is it to go boost life? Is it to get leads? So these 4 things, you need to choose one, and that's just it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.